Christmas came for this car. I've ordered another DPF. I've tried to repair the old one, but no garages will, not trying, but willing to weld a new flexi into it. Maybe after I'll take it down and I'll find someone to do that. But I found a new one, aftermarket. Order it and hopefully it's the same quality or close to the quality of the O&M. So let's unpack it.
Okay, let's go.
I've already cut strings. Came with all the fixings. Ta-da! This is the new beast. So I'll use some fast release on these screws. Right, so I've took the wheel down to have more space and to be sure nothing will get wrong. I've already had the two stands, the jack and two stands to keep the car safe. Took the wheel down. It took me a while. The bolt's been really stubborn, but anyway, it's done. Now I'll crawl under and we can start taking the DPF out. Right, so I need to take these two bolts out, bolts out, and I have another one high up there. Let's see if I can show you. can't even see it. Yes, this is happening when you work with one hand. Let's see, how is this fixed? From above? It's not from above, it's from below. How do I reach that one? Can't even see it. It seems to be there. Gotcha. How do I get there? Can you see it? Right, that'll be tricky. I need a really long okay, so it's off. Now I need to check how the hell I'll take it out. I need to take this bar out. It's got like 2 screws. Okay, let's do that. Right, so after a long fight, I've succeeded to take this out. I can see some stuff here. I think this is from me yesterday trying to take this off. The main issue is that this doesn't look anything like the one that I've ordered. I'll show you. some of the items like the brackets are the same. It doesn't have the second pipe. Yeah, no fittings, nothing. It's got the first one, which is this one, but not the second one. And the major one is that under the car, so after the flexi is the second O2 sensor. This doesn't have anything here, so I can't put the second O2 sensor. And this I might try to repair, add another one, another flexi here. You can see how they weld this. I'll try to find someone to do the same, and I'll send this back. It's no bueno. It's really nice, but it's not the same. Right, now the DPF is out, but I need to take the other section from the flexi with the O2 sensor out to see what I can do with it. It's either weld another flexi or trying to find something similar, as the new one is not compatible. It's so obvious, the difference is too big. So yeah, let's take it down. Yes. Oh, yes. To be honest with you, this was easier than I thought. It came right out, and now I took it out with the sensor, because I couldn't take the sensor out. It was too tight there, and now I need to figure out how to connect this. Here. So I need to find someone to willing to weld this. Anyway, that's for another day. I hope you enjoy it. I'm enjoying it. If you enjoy it, please subscribe, give me a like, drop me a comment. If you know someone who can weld this in the wheelchair area, I'll be more than happy to have a chat with them. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.
Okay, let's go.